Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the Hong Kong style roast pork belly using air fryer. You may find the complete recipe in description under the video. You will need a meat tenderizer like this one to poke holes on the pig skin. Try to choose pork belly with even layers of fat and meat like this one. The skin should be smooth without hair. Wash and wipe dry the pork. Touch the skin if you see hair on it. Score the meat with slit about 1 centimeter deep. Mix 15 grams of coarse salt with 5 spice powder, then rub on the meat part evenly. Wrap the pork with tin foil, wipe clean the skin, and sprinkle 10 grams of coarse salt on top. Make sure there's no 5 spice powder on the skin as it would blacken it. Refrigerate overnight. Boil a big pot of water, then blanch the pork belly for 1.5 to 2 minutes to shrink the skin and remove some of the saltiness. Remove the pork from water and wipe dry. Use the meat tenderizer to poke holes on the skin. Poke enough holes on skin to ensure it will become crunchy after air frying. Pour just enough vinegar to fill bottom of a shallow plate. Soak skin of belly in vinegar for 15 minutes. Do not let vinegar soak the meat part as it will toughen the meat. Remove belly from vinegar and wrap it with foil. Let the pork belly dry in fridge for 2 days with skin facing up. The drying is to remove moisture in skin as much as possible. Preheat air fryer at 350 Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. Air fry the pork for 20 minutes at 325 Fahrenheit. Then 400 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. The pork belly with crispy skin is now ready to serve. Enjoy!